The president wants at least $2 trillion for the next stimulus package. And now that is a good news we should all be excited about. Let's get the details, shall we? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. More good news is coming out there about the next stimulus bill and a second stimulus check. I'm excited. And by the way, for those of you that are part of this community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're willing to help today, make sure to hit that like button on the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I understand. Please consider subscribing. It is free after all, and I will bring you all the daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. So let's get straight to it. One of the top White House advisors is saying that the president wants to see another stimulus package. There will be at least $2 trillion. If you remember, the total so far spent for the stimulus bill is around 2.4 trillion. So if the president is willing to spend that much again, that means almost for sure that the bill will have a second stimulus check for Americans. That is a fantastic news. What do you think? Drop a comment down below and let me know. So according to Peter Navarro, who is a White House trade advisor, the president wants the next stimulus bill at least $2 trillion. What is interesting about this amount is that it is double of what we know the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell stated multiple times that they're willing to spend. He said in multiple occasions that the next stimulus package bill should be around $1 trillion. So who will prevail? Well, here's what I think. If the Republican Senate wants to pass the next bill, they will have to work with some Democrats to make them happy. But more than anything, they will need to make sure that the president will sign that bill into a law. Now, we know that there are a few things both parties want to see in the next bill. We know that extending unemployment is one of the top priorities. We know that payroll tax cuts are also on top of the president's list. In addition, we have help for local governments, more stimulus for small businesses, but most of all, people want to see a second stimulus check. So unless there are some cuts made somewhere, we might not fit within $1 trillion. But we can definitely do that with a $2 trillion budget, as we already did with the CARES Act. So personally, I believe if the president is ready to approve such an amount for the next and possibly final stimulus bill, we are in a very good position to see a second stimulus check. By the way, smash that like button below and also share the video on social media so more people can see it, please. Overall, the narrative of what Peter Navarro said was different than what we've seen and heard before. He talked about helping areas with high rise density and mass transit. He stated, and I quote, "The president is very interested in something on the order of at least $2 trillion, with the bulk of that focus on bringing home our manufacturing base." He added also that the key focus of the next stimulus bill should be manufacturing jobs, and we should focus on buying American, hire American, and make it in the USA. So overall, these new viewpoints are a lot better, in my opinion, than what we've heard before. Yes, we can focus on unemployment and tax cuts and other provisions like those. But if the next stimulus bill is primarily focused on helping America and the American people, then I'm certain it will have a second stimulus check. I mean, after all, we know that the actual amount spent on stimulus checks is only a small fraction of the total cost. But a second stimulus check, even if it's the same amount, another $1,200, will be helpful to many, many Americans. Would another $1,200 help you? Will that be something that will improve your personal financial situation? Let me know down in the comments, please. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'm positive we will see a second stimulus check. Maybe not as fast as we all hope for, but the sentiment is positive and we're getting closer and closer each day. As you know, I will continue to bring you daily stimulus check updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. And don't forget that down in the description, there are other helpful links you don't want to miss. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.